The Apollo program stands as one of the most remarkable achievements in human history, representing mankind's first steps beyond Earth. Conducted by NASA in the 1960s and early 1970s, the Apollo missions were designed to land humans on the Moon and return them safely to Earth. At the height of the Cold War and the space race between the US and the Soviet Union, the Apollo program fulfilled a bold goal set by President John F. Kennedy to land a man on the Moon before the decade's end. The Apollo program officially began in 1961 with the aim of demonstrating U.S. space superiority and advancing scientific exploration. However, the early stages of the program faced significant challenges. The tragic loss of 3 astronauts in the Apollo 1 cabin fire in 1967 led to a reevaluation of the spacecraft's design. This setback delayed the program but also resulted in improved safety measures for future missions. The first major breakthrough came with Apollo 8 in December 1968. It was the first mission to send astronauts, Frank Borman, Jim Lovell, and William Anders, into orbit around the Moon. This historic flight proved that NASA could safely send humans to the Moon and bring them back. The mission also gave us the famous Earthrise photograph, a symbol of Earth's beauty and fragility as seen from space. The pinnacle of the Apollo program occurred with Apollo 11, the most iconic mission in space exploration. Launched on July 16, 1969, Apollo 11 carried astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. 4 days later, on July 20th, the world watched in awe as Armstrong became the first human to step onto the lunar surface, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." He and Aldrin spent roughly 2.5 hours walking on the Moon, collecting samples, conducting experiments, and planting the American flag. This moment marked the fulfillment of Kennedy's vision and became a defining symbol of human achievement. The success of Apollo 11 was followed by 6 more Apollo missions, 5 of which successfully landed on the Moon. These missions provided valuable scientific knowledge and collected over 800 pounds of lunar rock and soil. Apollo 13 in 1970 famously faced a life-threatening explosion on board, forcing the crew to abort their moon landing. Thanks to the ingenuity of NASA engineers and the bravery of the astronauts, they safely returned to Earth in what became known as a successful failure. The final moon landing occurred during Apollo 17 in December 1972. Since then, no human has returned to the lunar surface, though the Apollo program's legacy continues to inspire space exploration efforts to this day. In conclusion, the Apollo program was more than just a technological triumph. It was a testament to human determination, ingenuity, and the desire to explore the unknown.